So, hi, I am Bianca of and I'm the founder of Re.Clothing and Loaf Studios. So, what we do in Re.Clothing is we work with secondhand clothing and we hand embroider it to give it a new life. So, that's our way of helping in alleviating the textile waste and how we also want to spread the word in terms of the value of upcycling, especially in these times where fast fashion is very much promoted.
Hi, I'm Mia Baba. I'm actually a bag designer. Been doing that for more than 15 years or so. I guess I wanted to join because it's pandemic. You keep picking up all these different things to do, different crafts, and I've
Yeah.
tried other things. But for some reason, I seem to like this embroidery. I would still prefer interaction so that I can see really online. I mean, ideally not online, but since it has to be online, at least I'm talking to a person. No? Maybe I can learn a new skill, trying to find other things to do because we're in pandemic. The time has increased. Time that you want to fill up with creative or constructive activities.